You've been lied to about yawning, and it's weirder than you think. Most people think yawning is just a sign of being tired or bored. But scientists believe it's actually your brain. Yep, yawning is your brain's personal AC unit. When your brain gets too hot from overthinking or stress, you yawn to bring in cooler air and regulate temperature. That's why yawning is contagious. Your brain's just trying to keep up with the crowd. Love facts that make your brain do backflips? Subscribe and join the weirdest genius club on the internet. What's the average temperature of the human brain? A. 37 degrees Celsius. B. 39 degrees Celsius. C. 41 degrees Celsius. Drop your answer below, let's see who's awake.